everyone, welcome to my channel Somna Kids World. I hope you all are doing good. So today I'm here again. I'm going to share with you something. It is about notes, that is about the subject science. These notes I have prepared it for my son, so I thought of sharing these notes that might help you. You can go through these notes and you can prepare for your kids. So today I'm going to share with you that how you can prepare the notes for the upcoming subjects like science, SST, English, etc. Now let us see about these notes. Today here I'm going to discuss with you some notes which I have prepared it for my son, as I have already shared before about EVS note. Like that, today I'm going to share with you, it is about science notes and it is about birds, because already in class 3 children are reading about birds. So I thought of sharing with you all that about birds, that how I have made a notes about birds. You can go through this. Like the first one is the keywords. Now what is keywords? Keywords are the words usually we have to write at the beginning some important words, because if we go through this word it will be easy for our kids to write their answers easily. If they read, if they learn these words, it will be easy for them to write their answers, because in answers they have to write some difficult words. So you can see you can tell that it's a keywords, or also you can say it's a difficult words. So I have just short it out that what are the difficult words here. Like those words only I have written here, and I'm telling my son to go through this so that it will be easy for him to write the answers. So you can also use this word and you can tell your kids to write the answers. So before starting their answers, before starting their question answers, please go through these words, keywords. Like the first one is nestlings, feathers, talons, waved, perching, wading, praying, paddle, white spreading, strainer, rudder, big, climbing, twigs. So total 14 keywords I have sorted out, and here it is about 14 keywords, or you can say it's a difficult words kids need to read before they start writing their answers. Now next one is define the following. Like some short words, some short words they have to understand, they have to write, and they have to write the meaning. Like talons. So what is talons? Strong and sharp claws of flesh-eating birds are called talons. So this is about talons. Next one is perching. So what is perching? Some birds hold the branch of a tree very firmly with the help of their toes to rest or to sleep at night without falling. This act is called perching. So this act is called perching. Next one is some question answer, but this is not the long one. This is little bit short. Okay. So like, what are wading birds? Describe the legs of wading birds. Birds that can walk over shallow water are called wading birds. They have thin and long legs with wide spreading toes. Example, crane, herons. So with the example they can write. Next one, question number 2. Explain climbing birds with example. What is climbing birds? So birds that use their toes to climb up and hold on to the branches of trees are called climbing birds. What is the example? Examples are parrot, woodpecker. Okay. Next one is, why do birds build nest? Give 3 examples. Birds build nest to protect from harsh weather, lay and hatch eggs, protect their eggs and nestlings from enemies and harsh weather. Next, this one, it's little bit long question answers. So How does a broad and flat beak with tiny holes help a duck eat insects? When a duck takes in muddy water with insects in their beak, water flows out from tiny holes, leaving behind plants and inside the beak. The tiny holes act as strainers. So this is what the question. So they have to describe it. Next one is name the type of feathers in birds with diagram. How do they help the bird? Birds have three types of feathers like flight feathers help the bird to fly. Next one is down feathers keep the bird warm. Body feathers keep shape to the bird's body. Then they have to draw it according to the description. Like flight feathers, they have to draw it like this. Down feather, body feather. Next one is write the features of birds which enable them to fly. The following features are well-formed wings, strong muscles, hollow bones, light body, boat-shaped body. Next one is, so here I have not drawn the picture actually. So here the question is like that. Look at the given picture. So you have to draw the picture of an eagle, and by seeing that picture, kid needs to write and indicate that what is the picture of that bird. Which picture is that? Like name the bird, it's an eagle. Actually here picture I have not drawn. So like that, is it a praying bird or perching bird? It is a praying bird. Why is it called so? Eagle is called praying bird because it eats flesh of small animals like toads, mice and rats. Next one is think and answer. You can give a question like this and let them think that what is the question about and what is the answer. Like if a bird has wings but no tail, how long will it affect the bird while flying? Tail helps the bird to change its direction while flying. It acts as a rudder. Hence, the bird without tail will not be able to change the direction while flying. Next question is, why only some birds like duck and swan can swim while most of the other birds cannot? Birds like duck and swan can swim because they have webbed feet that help them to paddle and push the water back. So this is all about the notes. I have prepared it for my son. It is about the notes lesson birds. So if you find this video helpful, please go through it again. You can share it with the needed one. And please subscribe to my channel Somna Kids World for more educational videos. Thank you for watching.